Hello viewer, welcome back to my channel. Today we discuss convex hull. It is very important if you want to change your polygon in convex hull. So it is very important. So listen carefully this video to end. Like, share and subscribe my channel. I help you, so you help me by subscribe. Let's start. Here is our area. We change it to convex hull. For convex hull we go to selection and we select our polygon. We select here 5 polygon, and after select we go to vector and geoprocessing tool, and we select here convex hull. After it we select here input layer, and after input layer we tick selected feature only, and after it we run it, we close it. You see here our convex hull is converted, and we transparent it. For transparent it we double click on symbology, transparent it, apply and OK. You see here your area is converted convex hull. So our process complete successfully. So please like, share and subscribe my video. Thank you for watching video.